Hi, I'm Michelle from Modern House Numbers. One of the most common questions we get from customers is, how do I know if the numbers I've chosen will fit and look good in the area where I want to install them? That's a great question. Today, I'm going to teach you how to figure that out on your own using our online resources on our website. So I'm going to use a recent example. We had a customer who wanted to use 6-inch palm springs. She wanted to install her numbers right near her garage door, but the space was limited. So to determine if her combination of 1, 3, 3, 1 would work, I'm going to show you how to do that. Here is the before photo. To figure out if 1, 3, 3, 1 in 6-inch palm springs will fit here under the light, first you'll have to measure. In this case, you'd measure the distance between the trim from the edge of the garage door here to the edge of the wall trim here. This distance measures about 2 feet 2 inches or 26 inches. You're going to want to make a note of that. You have 26 inches. Next, you're going to want to figure out the width of each number. Now's the time to jump on your computer or smartphone and go to www.modernhousenumbers.com. Once you're on our website, head to the Learn tab. The widths of all our numbers are located in the document called Technical Specifications. Once you find the Specifications section, click to open the PDF. This document has everything you'd need to know about all our products. In this case, you'd go to the page titled Palm Springs Typeface. Then find the 6-inch column. Make note of the widths for each number in the set. In this example, the 1 is 1.66 inches wide and the 3 is 4.4 inches wide. Total up the widths of 1, 3, 3, 1. This gives you a total of 12 inches, 12.12 inches. Okay, write that down. Next, you're going to want to consider the spacing between your numbers. In this case, in this example, we have 3 spaces. Head back to the computer, navigate to the resources page again, and locate the handy number spacing guide. Open the PDF, and you'll see the average spacing for each number by size. In this case, our customer wanted a horizontal orientation. You'll see that the average space between each number is 1 inch to 1.5 inches. So with 3 spaces, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5 is 4.5 inches. 4.5 inches. That gives you a total of approximately 16 3/4 of an inch for installation area. Perfect. Success. Here's the final product. Beautiful. As you can see, with just a few extra minutes of your time, you can use our online resources to determine for sure if your combination of letters or numbers will work. If for some reason it doesn't add up, the calcs don't add up, you may want to reconsider size, font, or even consider a vertical orientation. Our online resources have the sizes and widths of all our numbers, letters, and plaques. Easy peasy, you got this.